Out of Monticello tonight.
I do too. I thought we were going to have to score 31 to beat them.
Yeah.
And here's A.J. from the shotgun. Going to throw from the end zone. Fires. Williams got it at the 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 midfield. Down the sideline he goes. Nobody's going to catch him. 10, 5, end zone. Touchdown. Touchdown, Lions. Bobby Williams. How many you got?
92.
92-yard touchdown pass. Bobby had one man to beat and actually broke a tackle at about midfield to beat him.
And it's the story we heard. It's what we heard from Coach Head in his pregame comments. It's all or nothing. And